Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads promotional codes. If you've received a promo code from Google or a partner, this process will help you apply it to your account and start saving on your advertising budget right away. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account where you want to apply the promotional code, as these codes are typically account-specific and can't be transferred. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your campaigns and account settings. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find various options for managing different aspects of your account. Locate and click on the billing option. This section controls all payment-related features, including your payment methods, billing history, and promotional codes. Clicking on billing is essential because it's the only place where you can access and manage your promotional offers. Once you click on billing, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, look for and click on the option named Promotions. This is the dedicated area where Google Ads stores all information related to promotional codes and special offers tied to your account. It's designed to help you track which codes you've used and which ones are still available to redeem. After clicking on Promotions, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the promotional codes you've previously used under your Google account. This view is helpful for keeping track of your promotional history and ensuring you don't accidentally try to redeem a code twice. If you haven't used any codes yet, this section will likely be empty, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. To add and use a new promotional code, simply look for the blue plus icon on this page. This icon is your gateway to redeeming new offers. Click on it, and a code redemption window will appear on your screen. This window is where you'll input your promotional code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to any letters, numbers, or special characters. Promo codes are case-sensitive in many instances, so accuracy is key here. Once you've entered the code, click the Submit button. Google will then process your code and apply it to your account if it's valid and meets all the eligibility requirements. You should see a confirmation message indicating whether the code was successfully applied or if there were any issues. If there's an error, double-check the code for typos or verify that it hasn't already been used or expired. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Ads promotional codes to enhance your advertising budget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.